Hello guys, so today we decided to do a very simple 1 minute microwave cake. So we're going to do a Mac chocolate cake and also a coffee cake, so stay tuned. As you can see, I have 2 cups and a microwave. That is all you need. So I'm going to start by adding my ingredients. So in 1 cup I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then I'm going to add my Mac chocolate. It is about 20 grams. Then I'm going to mix this well. As you can see, this is dark. After mixing our ingredients, this is the Mac coffee and the sugar well. I'm going to add some butter. This is not necessarily butter, but you can use butter or your vegetable cooking oil, your normal vegetable cooking oil. Then mix this well. You're going to get a fine mixture. Three tablespoons of home baking flour. This is the all-purpose flour, so make sure that you don't add excess, otherwise this is going to overflow once you put it in the microwave. Then I'm going to mix, and then at this point I'm going to add a pinch of salt. We're going to add a pinch of salt in here. Then we're going to mix this well. Also, at this point you're going to add your milk. You wanna add a small amount, so I'm going to measure with my tablespoon. If you have the measuring spoons, the better for you, so I'm going to add a considerate amount. This might be excess. I think that's enough. Then we're going to mix this very well. Since this is all-purpose flour, I'm not going to add my baking soda. Otherwise, you are allowed to add the baking soda. So we're going to mix this very well. Now this is our mixture. We're going to set it apart as we prepare the other ingredients for the other cup. Then we're going to microwave them together. So I'm going to put this aside. For the second cup, we're going to use grinded sugar. So we're going to use around 4 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add my 3 tablespoons of home baking flour. And then I'm going to add some vanilla flavor. This is a 1/4 tablespoon. Then I'm going to add my coffee. I'm going to add 1 sachet of coffee. Then my baking soda, 1/4 tablespoon with my baking soda. Then mix this well. Once you've mixed the dry ingredients well, you're going to add the wet ingredients. For a case, you're not only going to add milk, 3 tablespoons, or rather enough for your mug, your coffee mug. Then you're going to mix well. We're going to mix till we get a smooth mixture. Yeah, that is nice and smooth. Yeah, now we're going to microwave this. At this point, at this point you're also going to add our butter. Yeah, make sure you don't forget that step. Actually added speed. Yeah, you can add your chocolate chips over here to get a chocolate chip mug cake, but for our case we're just going to do a vanilla coffee cupcake mug cake. Yeah, once that is done, now it's the microwaving part. At this point you're going to put our cup our cup mugs. Yeah, let me just do one at a time. I think that will be easier. Yeah, we lock. Yeah, we're going to put one cup at a time for 1 minute. Yeah, our power settings are at high, so we're doing this for. And our cupcake is ready. As you can see, the rising has happened. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, that is the first mug cake. Now we're going to set this aside just to cool down as we do the other mug cake. Yeah, now we are in the second mug. Yeah, we're going to set this to 1 minute at high. Yeah. So the second coffee cake the outcome is not what I expected. So I'm going to redo this. And I think the problem was the sugar. I think I added so much sugar until I'm getting some candy soup. Okay. So I'm going to redo with a small amount of